Hey guys, and welcome back to RIA'S World of Ideas. So today's video is going to be another blog post that I'm bringing you guys from my blog, and you guys have been loving the blog post that I've been sharing with you guys from my blog lately, which I am glad, because I did have a lot of good ideas on my blog back in the day when I did have a blog, and so I did want to share them with you guys. So today is another one that I want to share with you guys that I don't necessarily want to recreate because I don't decorate for Valentine's Day anymore, but when I did, I created some beautiful decor on a budget from Dollar Tree, and these DIYs that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today are so simple and so easy that you can do last minute to decorate for Valentine's Day. So if you want to see how to decorate for Valentine's Day on a budget but still have it be beautiful with things from Dollar Tree, then stay tuned to this video. So the first Valentine's decor idea that I want to share with you guys is to take things that you find at Dollar Tree and use them to decorate apothecary jars. Now these apothecary jars, I created them out of Dollar Tree items, and it was my last video that I shared with you guys, and if you guys have not seen that video, I'll put the link down below and also in a card so that you can see how to make your own apothecary jars. So for the first apothecary jar, I'm using the one that's kind of the wider one of the three that I've created, and I'm going to be filling it with some white and red kind of confetti paper, or they call it shred paper at Dollar Tree. You can make this on your own if you have a shredder at home. You can make this out of construction paper, but I'm going to put this decorative shred inside it with some heart picks, and I'm actually taking the red and pink hearts off the picks so that I could just mix them in with the crumpled up paper to decorate them inside of this apothecary jar. And this is how it turned out. For this next apothecary jar, I'm going to be using the jar that I made that kind of had a wider opening on the top. And what I'm going to do to decorate the inside of this one is I'm using these dangling kind of hearts that I found at Dollar Tree, and what I'm going to do so that it will stand within the apothecary jar is I'm going to take one of those picks from those heart picks and kind of stick it in the middle of these hearts so that it gives it like a stand to it, basically, so it makes it stand up within the apothecary jar. Because if you put this decor within the apothecary jar as is, it's just going to go all the way down to the bottom because it's kind of meant to be hung. So just take the picks that you didn't use from the heart picks and stick it through these hearts, and then it would be perfect for the apothecary jar. This last apothecary jar was the easiest to decorate. All I did was I took pink and red fake rose petals that they sell at Dollar Tree, and then I basically just filled the apothecary jar with them. But I made sure that I kind of intertwined them with the different colors. Like I wanted them to kind of like be combined, so it wasn't like a big clump of pink in one section and a big clump, a clump of red in one section. So make sure you mix it well so it gives it a pretty effect. For the next two DIYs, I'm going to be using these pink and red kind of like heart gems, but they call them table scatters, to fill different candle holders and vases to make beautiful Valentine's Day decor. So for the first one, I'm going to be taking these square glass vases or candle holders, I don't know which one they are, and I'm going to be filling them with the pink heart gems or table scatters, if you will. And then I'm going to add some fake white roses that you can also find at Dollar Tree to kind of create a Valentine's Day bouquet. For the last DIY, I'm going to take this vase right here, and then I'm going to fill it up with the red hearts this time. And then I wanted to add a candle to it, so I took one of the white candles that you can get at Dollar Tree, and then I also took some Valentine stickers that they had that were kind of like some 3D stickers, and I picked out one that had a heart shape to it, and I decided to put it on the front of the candle. And then I put this candle within the vase to create this Valentine's Day decor. And that is it, guys, for these Valentine's Day DIYs. These Valentine's Day DIYs are so easy and so simple to make, and they're actually perfect for those last minute Valentine's Day decor ideas if you want to put something in your home right now for Valentine's Day and just do something really quick that doesn't require too much thinking and too much thought and not a whole lot of money. But they do come out very beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm so glad that you guys are enjoying all these blog posts that I'm bringing from my blog. Don't worry, I will be bringing more live videos of more DIYs to come, and cleaning videos and organizational videos. And I'm gonna have some routines in there as well, because a lot of you guys have been asking me for my morning and night routine. So stay tuned for those and vlogs as well. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.